To get started, you will need to install the 8x8 plugin. Open a Google Chrome browser window and navigate to the Google Chrome Web Store. Search for Virtual Office Meetings. Click on Virtual Office Meetings for Google. Then click Add to Chrome. When prompted, click Add Extension to install the plugin. The plugin will download and be added to your browser. You will see the symbol to the right of the URL bar at the top of your browser window. Now you're ready to schedule a meeting. Open Google Calendar, double-clicking on the day of your meeting. The first time you open your calendar after installing the plugin, you will see a button, Add Virtual Office Meeting. It will prompt you to log in using your Virtual Office credentials. Once you're logged in, the button will now read Add Virtual Office Meeting. Click the button to create the meeting in Virtual Office. Enter all your meeting details such as date, time, and participants, and click Save. Your meeting details will now include a link to join your virtual meeting or dial in via phone.